Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to connect Spotify with your Facebook account. So let's start. First, open the Spotify app. When the app opens, tap on the settings icon on top right corner and then scroll down. Under the social section you will see the option Connect to Facebook. Now tap on that. And it will automatically connect your Facebook account with your Spotify account. When it's done, you will see some options. Here you can see listening activity. If this feature is enabled, it will keep on sharing what you are listening on Spotify with your followers. You can keep this feature enabled. Otherwise, you can disable this option. And the other one is private session. If you enable this feature, you can start a private session and listen anonymously. And that's how you can connect your Spotify account with your Facebook account. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.